Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So Doge is following further the primary expectation, which is still further downside here within the trend channel into the direction of the yellow box. This area is defined between 5 cents and 2.3. As I said many times, it would be great if Doge makes one more low because I just don't like this entire structure here. I mean, I did talk about a bullish scenario as well. That has become very unlikely, even less likely now that we've actually made a new low against the December the 31st low. So it's actually quite bearish and much weaker than many other coins at the moment. It dropped below the, as I said, that low, which was at around 6.5 cents. And is currently still within the trend channel, even though it tries to break out, but the movement to the upside currently at least is corrective. So it's continuing to follow this count. The count is and has been defined as a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside. We are currently in a third wave, at least that is one of the possible interpretations. This is a fourth and a fifth. I will in the coming days have another look if there are other methods or wave counts available. I also thought about something like a triangle structure here. That's possible as well, but I still need to think about it a little bit. But either way, we have highlighted before that the idea that Doge bottomed is only an alternative. Now I have to take that alternative wave 2 low off the chart anyway, because it dropped below that low anyway. So it was the correct decision to define it only as the alternative. It's still technically possible to have that 1-2 setup here, and then this could have been another 1 and possibly here a 2, but it's just all getting very, very messy. Now, the problem is this structure leaves a lot of room for interpretation, and I would also not be massively surprised if it continues to, or if it does suddenly turn around and rally from here. It's just that at the moment I don't really have a clear trade setup. We did have a long trade setup here, a possible long trade setup. I did take it off the chart now because it's not relevant anymore, but that was a support area which was broken. And if you will remember, this support area was highlighted in orange, so highlighted as higher risk anyway, higher risk of breaking, and one of the lower quality setups. At the moment I don't see a clear setup. We would get one if we have a 5-wave rally to the upside and then 3 waves down. And then I'm also happy to, well, I wouldn't take the bearish chart of the chart, the bearish count of the chart, because just 5 up and 3 down would not invalidate that. But let's see. There is key resistance. Next key resistance is this swing high here at around 9.2 cents. This is highly relevant structurally. And then obviously this B wave high, and that is even more important at 10 cents. Above that level, I think we can turn more bullish. Below that level, at the moment at least, not with the current structure. So at the moment, I'd like to see any, well, to define a long trade setup or anything, I'd like to see more evidence. You know, I need to see the 5-wave move to the upside, 3 waves down. We're also still moving in the trend channel. Might define that a little bit more accurately, but we are, in my opinion, still in the channel. Maybe trying a breakout here, but just a breakout of the channel is not enough in terms of changing the trend. It is an indication, but to change the trend, we need 5 up and 3 down. Could make the case for 5 up, yes, but the problem in that is, in contrast to many other coins, it made a new low against the December lows, which many other coins didn't. So yeah, it's a rather weak chart at the moment. If something clear comes up, I'll let you know. But for me, the trend is at the moment down because it's making lower lows and lower highs, which is also in contrast to other coins. So yeah, it remains my primary view to make a lower low here. But then just bear in mind, you know, and I also have some Doge in my portfolio. Sometimes it just, you know, when the dog has a good day, it just continues to rally. It just needs a good tweet by Elon, and this thing rocks. But without a signal, you know, you don't know. So we need that signal first. Okay, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.